Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Yidio's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Yidio's account, firstly go ahead and open your Yidio application. The home page of Yidio application will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on Settings. You will end up on the settings page of your Yidio's account. Click on Sign Out option. You will be signed out of your Yidio's account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Yidio's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.